I will explain about the all selected function. First, I have to create all selected function based on the category. So all selected one, then sum of sales. Then now I will use all selected function based on the category. Yeah, so here in wax I will drag. Yeah, it's showing all the same value because it's the total of every category. Now it all selected means it will show the value of the all the category. Let's say if I use Lyser, here I will create rights like category. Then here if I select the bikes, then it will show only one value for the bike. Yeah, I can first I will just turn on the data label. Yeah, so now it's 110 million, but if I select bike, yeah, then it's showing it's 95 million. And if I click clothing, then it will show the value of bike plus clothing. First I will select separate. It's 2.21 and bike is 95. So 97 point something or 98 will show because it will show the total of both. Yeah, 97. So it's called the all selected. Whatever I select here, it will show in this column chat.